Hello everybody, it's good to see you today. Well, Apollo and I are out for a ride, getting his exercise in. You know, I wanted to bring up something with him, or with any animal. You don't always have to ride him, but you always have to spend time with him. There's sometimes that I'm out here just brushing, sometimes just messing with the hooves, sometimes just talking to him, sometimes letting him take treats out of our hand. The key though is relationship. For an animal to work, you got to understand that God made everything with the concept of harmony. The planets, they operate in harmony. All the animals in the world operate in harmony. If you're going to train dogs, you got to be a pack member. You got to work in harmony with the dog to gain their trust. With the horses, the more time you spend, the better, because that gives you a relationship with the horse. It builds some harmony and some unity, and it's easier to train him and get him to trust you. You've heard people talk about horses that were just a one-man horse. Well, the reason for that is because there's a unity and harmony between that guy and that horse. Life is the same way with people. In homes, in business, in marriages, there needs to be unity, harmony. When you have unity and harmony, you have trust, you have strength, you have sweetness. All those things are true. So you know what? If I were you, I would make unity the number one thing in my home. Don't sacrifice unity for anything. Don't sacrifice it for being right. If you'll join us Monday night, we're going to talk about the unity factor. And I'm going to give you some things I think that will let you see it from a different perspective. God bless you. Have a wonderful weekend.